Kioni, who elected, Kioni was, he could only be elected from his constituent. How can he talk on behalf of Jubilee? We have reorganized Jubilee now. I'm the majority leader. After the court ruled that we had, I was the chief whip. Now I'm the majority leader. Because you know, Kioni, you know, we're going to start talking about positions when he is outside parliament. Can he come before the floor of the house? Can he even talk anywhere? He lost. So yeye aungane na ile watu wengine walishindwa waendelee kuweka masufuria kwa vichwa, waendelee kufanya vitu za ujinga huko. As we have work to do, the work to do is to assist our people. People elected you. So yule Kanini Kega is the Secretary General. Yule Muriona, yule Kainan is the Deputy Party Leader. I'm the majority leader, and we will proceed. We will be there. We want to come together with the other parties so that we might and have a strong party when it comes to 2027.